Okay, so welcome back to Problem Solving Paradise. My tongue got ahead of my brain. I'm going to do a little bit of a review with you guys from yesterday's question, all right, about Jeremiah and something nice that they did, collecting cans in a food drive for obviously, for people who are in need. Right? We don't want anybody to go hungry, so we try to do what we can do. So Jeremiah's class collected 61 cans for the food drive. Jennifer's class collected 73 cans. So both pausing points with the period. I know what Jeremiah collected, and I know what I know what Jennifer collected. Notice that both of the names start with a J. Okay? So my first question would be is he has 61 and Jennifer has 73. Did the number of cans increase or decrease? Okay. Now, that's one of the main questions you have to ask yourself, and you have to stop. Okay, so this is what's happening. You visualize. Got all these cans. He brings his, she brings hers. All right? Then it's on a table. 14 cans fell off the table and had to be thrown away. How many cans did they have left? So again, now, going back, we have 61 cans from Jeremiah. We have 73 cans from Jennifer. Did the number of cans increase or decrease? All right. So they're all on the table. Okay, you have to figure that out. Well, you guys all solved that, so obviously, no, I'm leaving that alone, okay? Now, 14 cans fell off the table and had to be thrown away. So of all the cans that are on the table now, after the 14 fall off, did the number of cans increase or decrease? Because they did have to throw them away. All right, these are questions that you have to ask yourself. And then they're saying, how many cans did they have left? So let's mark up this information. Jeremiah collected 61 cans. Jennifer's class, collected 73 cans, Jeremiah's class, okay? So right from here, that's our step one. Step one, did it increase or decrease? He brings 61, she brings 73. So did it increase or decrease? All right, so step one, I'm going to write this down now. Step one, I'll fold this paper, all right? There's an increase in cans. Okay, and how do we show that? Well, we have 61, and I double check my numbers, plus 73, okay? And that gives us 144 cans. Okay, that is step one. Now, step two, it tells us that 14 cans fell off the table and had to be thrown away. Okay, so step two, now we have to say we had 144 cans, because it did increase. They each brought something to the pot, as they say. And now 14 cans had to be thrown away. So does it increase or decrease now? Exactly, it has to decrease. So when we decrease, what do we have to do? We have to subtract. Exactly. So 144 minus 14. Okay. So we have 130 cans. And then, of course, you have to write your solution sentence. You have to compose that, all right? So how many cans did they have left? Jeremiah and Jennifer had 130 cans left. And they did a good deed, so I admire that. And again, you have to remember to organize your work. You have to separate your steps. It cannot be on top of each other. You need to make sure that you're putting in what the object or the item is. Make sure that you include all of that information. Read carefully, underline. I know most of you can't print it up, and that makes it all the more significant and important for you to organize your work. Organization, organized mind, organized work. Okay, clear writing equals clear thinking. Take a little extra time to do what you're supposed to do and do it correctly. You can do it. You can do it. You get it? No pun intended. I can hear Raymond going, oh, Mr. Modell.